Hi again! Welcome back to my channel. This is Xtel, and on this vlog, I'm going to do the unboxing of my AirPods Pro. So if you're interested in this video, just continue watching and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Xtel RaSuL. Bye! I'll see you in a bit. Bye! So first, let's do the unboxing of the AirPods Pro. So here it is. I think this is the third AirPods from Apple product. So they already have this AirPod first gen and the second gen. I have my first gen here, purchased 3 years ago. This is my AirPods first gen. Outside the box, there's a picture of the AirPods. There's a logo of the Apple on both sides, and on top side, AirPods Pro wireless charging case. AirPods Pro wireless charging case. And at the back portion is the whole picture of the AirPods Pro. Today it's 12:15 in the evening. So there's a flap here where you're gonna pull this and peel this thing up. So you're gonna just pull it off. So here it is. I'm gonna open the box. Ta-da! So there's a manual here. I think there's a sticker as well here. Some manuals, instructions on how you're going to connect or link it to your phone. There is no sticker. Anyways, guys, the date right now is May 4th, 2020. Okay, and let's move on. Here is the AirPod Pro. And it's covered with the plastic. Let's put it aside and let's open first this one. And you can see two pairs of rubber ear something here, different sizes. It's small and large, and inside here is a medium size. I'm not gonna open it yet because I need to make sure the perfect size of my ear. Next is we have another USB cable. It's a USB-C. So let's open the AirPods Pro. So here it is. So there's a really big difference with the shape and the size of the charging case of first gen and this one. So as you can see, there's a LED light blinking. Here are the AirPods. This is how it looks. And for the first gen, it's really different. Like this one is long and thin, and this one is bulky because of this rubber thing here. So I'll just have to fit it on my ear if it really does fit. Left. Let me check for the large size if it's gonna fit, because I just want to make sure that's really well fitted inside my ear. So here it is. Properly fit. So guys, I'm having a hard time choosing which size should I choose. I don't know if the medium one or the large one is for me. I think large is too big. So guys, I can really see difference from my first gen and to this latest AirPod. So if you're going to wear both of them, there's an automatic cancelling of the background noise, especially that we're using portable air conditioner. And now, as I'm using both of this, I couldn't hear any single noise from it. So I'll choose the medium size because I think the large earbud is too bulky for me. It's so hard to remove it. I really need the full force. I'll just have to keep this here to make sure that I still have some spare earbuds just in case. So this AirPods Pro can be charged using the wireless charging, and we don't have the wireless charger. Still gonna use the lightning charger. So after this one, I'm going to open the AirPods Pro case that I've purchased as well in JB Hi-Fi. So it's already here. I'm gonna open the case. This is how it looks. It is a weatherproof AirPods Pro protection, like water resistant, dust proof, and drop protection. So I think this is much better compared to the other cases. So it's much better to protect my AirPods with this one. So it says here it's a detachable carabiner and soft touch silicone and easy access. Here it is. And there's also a carabiner. That's all inside this box, only 2. So right now I'm going to put my AirPods inside it. The use of this one is like this, and just put it here. I think it's all good now. I'll just have to put the carabiner, and that's it. And you can open at the bottom part if you're going to charge it. Water resistant, not the waterproof, dust proof, and dust protection. It's well protected. Next is I'm going to connect this to my phone. It says here connect. AirPods Pro connect. So I'll have to connect. Waiting for connection. So there's some instructions on it. Here. So noise control, press and hold on either AirPod to switch between noise cancellation and control center. It says here 79% for both AirPods, and the charging case is 71, so I think I need to charge this one. Let me check if it sounds. So the AirPods Pro is the latest AirPod from Apple, and it launched October 30th, 2019 last year. So it says here it is a new in-ear design because it has really a big difference between the other 2 Apple AirPods, first gen and the second gen, whereas there is no rubber earbuds or silicone tip. This one, the AirPods Pro, has its silicone tips in 3 sizes, the small, medium, and large, which I'm using currently the medium size. And also their newest feature is that there's an active noise cancellation technology, IPX4 water and sweat resistant. So it has also H1 chip with Hey Siri support, and it also supports Bluetooth 5.0, dual beamforming microphone, and the weight is just 5.4 grams, and for the case it's 45.6 grams. Works with Qi chargers, you know, the wireless chargers. AirPods Pro offers up to 5.5 hours of listening time with a single charge. The AirPods Pro, you just have to squeeze the tip, this one. So you just have to squeeze this one. No tappings, just squeeze. So that's what they call force sensor. So they have this ANC, or the active noise cancellation, which is simply based on an airtight seal around the ear. They also claim that this one is sweat and water resistant for non-water sports and exercise. That's a major reassurance for those who like to wear them in the rain and worry about excessive sweating. AirPods Pro case offers 24 hours of listening time. I'm done with this. I'm going to sleep. It's almost 1 in the morning, so I'll have to charge this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Xtel RaSuL. Bye.